How to buy Shibli Inu token. So this token came under the symbol of Shibli. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. Now this token created 11 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. This token turned in #1 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, now you can copy the token address from here and open your Bitkit wallet for that. Now just log into your wallet, as you can see. Now select the base as a network first. After that, click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address in the search bar to add it to your wallet. Now click on this plus icon, as you can see. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Shibli. So after you find it, click on it. Now click here on swap, switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now as you can see, now correspond liquidity pool, please select a different token. So I will just try to reduce the amount if they will give me something here, but it seems that it's not be able to buy this token on your wallet. Now I will use the Uniswap, so I will just go to Uniswap website like that, as you can see here. So wait a few seconds. Now just click on the websites to be able to buy this token. So first of all, I will just connect to my wallet. So I will just connect it. I will just disconnect one. So first of all, connect your wallet, as you can see. Now select it from here. I will use the MetaMask. So now we'll just log into my account first. As you can see, click on unlock. Now after that, what you need to do, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to the Uniswap, what you need to do, if you can't see your token here, go to the token page on the screener. You can copy the token address here. Now go back, click on select token. Now select the base as a network from the first. Now paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. Click on don't show me this warning again and click on continue. Now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with. As you can see, select your token from here. As you can see, USDC, and you can type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now after that, click here on swap, and the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Shibli token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.